Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious beef hot dogs from scratch. We'll cover everything from selecting the right cuts of beef to the final cooking process. This guide is designed to be easy to follow, ensuring you can create flavorful, homemade hot dogs that are far superior to store-bought options. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. For the best beef hot dogs, start with quality beef, ideally an 80% lean blend for that perfect balance of fat and flavor. You'll need a robust seasoning mix, including ingredients like paprika, garlic powder, and a touch of mustard. Don't forget your natural casings, which give hot dogs their classic snap. Keeping everything very cold with ice water is crucial for proper emulsification. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to grind the beef. For a smooth hot dog texture, grind the meat twice. After grinding, combine the meat with your spice blend and a little ice water, mixing until it's well emulsified and sticky. Then, carefully load this mixture into your sausage stuffer. Take your time to ensure the casings are filled evenly, avoiding air pockets. After stuffing, the hot dogs are ready for cooking. Gently poach them in hot, not boiling, water until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures they are fully cooked and firm. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and set their shape. Once cooled, they are ready to be grilled, pan-fried, or boiled and served with your preferred condiments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.